Welcome learners. In today's video, I will share with you research topics from different subjects and from different categories. So this video is going to be very useful. Please watch this video till end. Welcome to Murad Anas Academy, the place where people come to learn. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe it and press on the bell icon to get notification of my new and latest videos. So in this video, I'm about to share different research topics from different subjects and different categories. So let's start. First category which I will share with you is business research. The topics which are in front of you, as you can see, business research related topics. Next category we have is social media. The topics related to social media and social media marketing are in front of you. You can select any one of them and do your research on it. Next category we have is waste management. Here are the topics on waste management from which you can select any one of them and start your research on. Next subject we have is child development. The topics in child development are in front of your screen. As you can see, you can select any one of them and conduct your study. All are good topics to work on. Next category we have is finance. Topics related to finance are in front of your screen. You can see these topics and you can even search research papers on these topics as well and conduct a good research. Next category we have is next category is related to finance as well, economics and finance. You can see topics related to finance and economics. There are plenty of topics from you can choose and any one of them. The next category is data mining. Here are the topics related to data mining. Next we have is criminology or criminal behavior. Here are the topics related to criminal behavior where you can select any one of them easily. Next we have is controversial research topics. Here are the topics in front of your screen. Next we have is biology research topics. Next category we have is science research paper topics. Next category we have sociology research paper topics. Next category is biology research topics. But this time they are related to the cell domain of biology. Here are the topics list. Next we have is topics related to psychology field. As you can see, there are so many topics related to psychology field from where you can easily pick or choose which is according to your area of interest or you find interesting. Next we have is economics topics. As you can see the list of economics topics, there are so many economics topics. As you can see, there are plenty of topics from where you can choose and easily conduct your research. Next category we have is it's related to health economics or we can say economics as well. So you can find plenty of topics in the list which are related to economics and health economics. Next category we have is economics as well. So here are some topics related to economics and finance. Next category we have is anthropological. Here are topics. You can select any one of them. There are so many topics. Next category we have is arts. Yes, you can also find topics on arts. You can conduct your study on arts topic as well. Here are the topics in front of your screen which all are related to arts field. Next category we have is music. Yes, here are some music topics and research ideas for you to use for your research thesis and for your research work. Next category we have is topics related to literature research. If you are an English literature student, then these topics are for you. You can select any topic from here and conduct your research easily. There are so many topics as you can see. So the next category we have is related to Shakespeare research topics. Yes, if you are conducting your research or your research assignment on Shakespeare, then you can choose any one of topic from here as well. There's so many topics here. Next we have is research topic related to World of Disney. Yes, if you are conducting your research on Disney, then here are the topic list from where you can easily choose your topics. Next category I have is tourism research ideas. Here you can find plenty of tourism related research ideas and topics from where you can pick any one of them and start your research work on it. There are so many topics as you can see. Next we have is culture research topics and ideas. Here are the culture research topic ideas. As you can see, there are plenty of topics from you to choose. Next category we have is religious studies research ideas. As you can see, there are plenty of research topics from you to choose. You can choose any topic from one of them. Next category we have is ethics research topics and ideas. So here you can see lots of topics related to ethics and you can choose any search area, go to Google Scholar, paste that area and find articles related to that topic and start your research work. So here are the topics. Next category is political science. Here are the topics related to political science. Here are the topics related to political science. As you can see, there are plenty of topics to work on. Next category we have is classic English literature topics. These all are good topics to work on. You can also find such papers on these topics. You can also do your research work as well on this topic. These are just basically ideas I am giving this video and topics for you to choose. Another category is historical, or I should say history research topics. Here are the topics of history. Next category we have is related to English. So you can see plenty of English topics and ideas for you from where you can select any topic or you can get research idea to work on. Next category we have is genetics research. Here are the topics of genetics research. The next category we have is poetry research ideas and research topics. Here are the research topics related to poetry. You can select any category, any topic, any area from these and conduct your research easily. There are so many topics as you can see. Next is philosophy research topics. As you can see, there are plenty of topics related to philosophy. As you can see, there are so many topics here. As you can see, lots of topics here. So next category is education. I think it's online education. So here are the topics related to online education. And the last category of the second last category of our video is Orientalism topics. You can select so many topics from here and conduct your research. And the last category is computer science. You can select lots of topics from here. You can select any topic from here because these all topics are related to computer science. So then that's it for today. I hope you learned, you got plenty of ideas of research from different domains, from different subjects. I hope you also got research idea for your research. You also find, I'm pretty sure that from this video you also find a topic, a research area to work on as well. So if you really learned from my video, then do like it. If you didn't learn anything from my video, then don't dislike it. Subscribe my channel if you haven't. Press the bell icon. Share this video with other students so they may also get help from this video. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.